What's up guys and welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna try chicken from Lidl. This is how it looks. Is this popcorn? Popcorn, you take one of those.
It's hot.
It's very hot. Take it. We're gonna rate it to 1 to 10. So, 1, 2, 3. The chicken was good. Now in curry sauce. The last
I
one
got
was
a
ketchup.
spicy one. That was hot.
It's very hot. It just came out of the oven.
And I got a spicy one.
Black water. And he has black water too. Which one has a bone? Oh no, I don't think that was popcorn.
This was a spicy.
No, that wasn't popcorn. Because there's a little. This is popcorn chicken. So take that. Dip it. I dip it in ketchup. 1, 2, 3.
This one maybe. I got 2 spicy ones.
That's very good. And the last one, without a bone, was very good too.
Rate it. What would you rate it?
The first one, the little big one, like an 8, and the popcorn 9.5. We still have a
With the bone.
with bone.
Maybe.
Wait. Just gonna drink some black water. And we have a little guest in background. I don't know if you see her. Wilma. Are you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. It's really hot.
Yes.
This
You
one
know
was a
what
little.
I rate this? Rate this.
This one was a little bit spicy. The
5 out of
popcorn 9.5. The other one 7.5, and this last one like 4.5. It wasn't so tasty.
10. This one is 9 out of 10. This.
Was it the popcorn? Oh no, it's not popcorn.
And this one. Two out of 10. And last
Then I
one,
take it.
0 out of 10.
Bye bye guys. See you tomorrow. Hope you had a great meal today. Bye bye.
Subscribe.